there, guys. We're almost there.
We are here.
Well, wait a minute. Where's Pikachu and Chespin? You see, Pikachu and Chespin, they're in the box because they said the backpack is so bulky, so they're trapped there for a whole time. Oh, don't worry, they'll be fine.
This makes it a lot easier to do connecting flights to either a domestic or international destination of Philippine Airlines.
We're here, guys. Come on.
It's easy finding your way around Terminal 2, but if you...
Oh, it's an awesome place. Yeah, you tell me about it. All right, let's keep moving on. Yeah. Oh, jeez, it's very hotter in the morning. Jeez. Folk, this is really hot, and that's really cool car. It's so small though, but still pretty awesome, folks. Well, it's so very hot. I think I'm starting sweaty now. I got sweaty out of my feathers. Oh, we're moving. Oh, folks, that's good. Yeah, that's good, folks. We're almost there. Oh wait, we're just heading there to the house, folks. Yeah, speedy. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh, dang.
Maghanap lang. Right saan?
Hey, folks, this is really faster car I've ever seen. Yeah. I love Speedy. Dude, just calm down. No, I love Speedy.
Wala pa.
Boom. I love go boom and stuff. Oh god, this smells like an oil heat wave yesterday. I felt like a more toxic, and gunpowder. Oh my god. Feeling hot. Yes. So sweaty. And I can't feel it anywhere. I can't feel it. Yeah, you said it was so hot. Hey, monkey. Yeah. Monkey. Monkey. Can you keep it down? I'm trying to sleep. Where the heck are we? We're in an uncle's house, or aunt's house. How do we get here so quickly? Oh, never mind. But seriously, how do we get here so fast? We didn't. We've been waiting like hours and hours. And since I cannot take the heat anymore inside that car. You can check around the place if you want. Alright. Besides, what happened to the others? They're just looking around the house. Wait, what happened to Pikachu and Chespin? Oh yeah, that's right. We have to get him out of the box. Alright. Robert. Good luck finding them. Anyways, I'm gonna check around. Ooh, it's still very hot. But cool place. Cool, folk. Woo! Oh, it's kind of smelly. Ooh, downstairs. Oh, I'm going down. Yeah, that looks normal. Cool. Yeah, I know. Wow, that's awesome. Ooh, small window. Ooh, how much? Let's go check there. Alright, cool. Well, that's weird. There's no closing it. There's no toilet thing. The thing you can close. Yeah, I know. Bathtub, huh? Let's get out of here. It's so smelly in there. I know. Wow, that's kind of interesting. Awesome. I could have sworn out here in Chesapeake, but oh well. Gotta go. I'm gonna get back to the grab bird. Oh, cool room. It's awesome. I'm gonna check around here. Small window, huh? Huh? I'll just deal with it later. So it's a little bit kitchen, huh? Not bad. I'm gonna check the backyard. I don't know what it is. Ooh, cool backyard. I'm gonna check them out. Wow, that's really cool. Alright then. Pretty neat. Yep. That's pretty neat. I know they're here somewhere. Oh, hi. Oh, hey. Dude, what you doing? Looking for Pikachu and Chespin. I know they're here somewhere. Oh. Probably... I don't know. Hey! Oh, what's up, yellow bird? Man, this place is really awesome. Wow, it's so hot in there, though. Oh, folk, this place is really awesome. Because, like, stairs, I just love it. Hey, what's up? I seen everything, and everything is awesome. Just like me. Just like me. I am awesome. So, who are you looking for? Pikachu and Chespin? Oh yeah, they got been missing. Probably somewhere in these boxes. Don't worry, I'll just take care of it. Yeah, alright, thanks. You're welcome. I gotta go find them. Man, this place is awesome. I seen a rooster, but it's very awesome place. Yeah, because I saw the store like right next to us, and I was getting hungry because I'm here like to get some cookies. Oh really? You're really hungry? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna lay down right there. So, what do you think? Well, the backyard is really awesome. I like the backyard. It's awesome. Yeah, that's all I can say. Yeah. Well, I went outside for a while, and it's so very hot. Every time I see that dog. Yeah. So, what do you guys think? It's awesome? Awesome. Everyone will say awesome. Yeah, folk. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm still looking for Chespin and Pikachu. Alright. Just keep looking. Alright. So, what are we gonna do today? I don't know, we're just staying here until tomorrow. Until tomorrow, we'll just go to the beach, I think. Alright, the beach. I'll remember that time. Yeah, me too. Alright. I think we'll just get to bed, everyone. Folk, I'll just sleep. Nah, I'll just want to sleep with you guys. Yeah. Alright, everyone. Let's just get to bed. Alright, we'll just teleport us here. Yeah. Pew. That's not our bed. Oops, sorry. It's okay, guys. You can go in. Well, it's kind of like daylight, but we just feel like get plenty more sleep. Yeah. Come on, everyone. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get more sleep since we're in the airplane. Anyways. Yep. We all have to sleep. Seems everyone's asleep. I gotta go sleep too. It's been staying up all night for that plane and